That's 353. Just left Battle Creek and is heading to Kalamazoo. He's really speeding. Hey, he gone. Wow, he's zoomed it. Well, thought I could catch up with him. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this train video. And if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this video, can you hit that red subscribe button down below? And subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos I got plenty. So feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National in this train video.